Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make crispy potato fingers. This is a very easy and healthy snack. A very quick and instant recipe that all kids will love. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of grated potato. Boil the potato for 3 whistles and then grate it finely. Then to this add 1 cup of rice flour, a cup of maida. You can substitute maida with wheat flour. Then add half teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of pepper powder and quarter teaspoon of chilli flakes. Mix all the ingredients well with a spoon. Make sure all the ingredients are well spread. Now all the ingredients are well mixed, so start to knead with your hand. Add little water at a time and mix it well. We're looking for a chapati dough consistency, so add water accordingly. Now we have the perfect consistency. Grease your hands with ghee or oil and pull out a small portion and make a smooth ball out of it. Then roll it into thin fingers like this. Likewise, make all the potato fingers and keep it ready. Now heat sufficient amount of oil in a 9 pot. When the oil is nice and hot, add the potato fingers one by one. Fry in medium flame until they turn golden brown. Continue to fry for 2 to 3 minutes in medium flame. Flip sides in between to make sure all sides are well cooked and evenly colored. It's been 2 minutes and the potato fingers are nicely done and ready. So let's now remove them. Serve this potato fingers nice and hot with a cup of tea and enjoy with your family and friends. Very crispy, healthy and delicious recipe. So do try this crispy potato fingers recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.